When in Iloilo, hindi dapat pinapalampas itong iconic dish na ito. Kaya first thing na ginawa namin as we landed here in Iloilo, of course, kumain kami dito sa Netong's Original Lapas Batchoy, and this is their branch in Atria. Their main branch is in the public market, pero ito yung malapit sa hotel namin, kaya dito kami pumunta para mag-dinner. Natuwa ako kasi nandito yung puto na favorite ko, and as you can see in their menu, talagang nakafocus sila sa batchoy. First on our list is the puto for 30 pesos na hindi namin pinalampas kasi bagay na bagay ito sa lahat ng orderin namin. We also ordered the Mega Batchoy for 150 pesos. This is a bowl of egg noodles na may bits and pieces ng different na mga karne, may liver, merong chicharon, and syempre yung panalong-panalong garlicky soup. This dish is warm, hearty, umami, and napakasarap talaga. So bibigyan natin to ng 4 na subo. Uy, don't forget na isawsaw itong puto dito sa batchoy. Ang susunod na in-order namin is itong dinuguan for 100 pesos. Sobrang thick and hearty with hint of tanglad flavors. And ang napansin din namin is medyo maasim than the usual dinuguan na nakakain namin. Again, perfect na isawsaw ang puto dito, so bibigyan natin to ng 3 subo. Netong's has been an institution for Lapas Batchoy, so talagang dapat hindi palampasin ang pagpunta dito. And we will give them 4 na subo. This is our total bill, and follow us more food and travel adventures dito sa Iloilo. Yun lang, bye!